Beware of wasting your time, for it is the treasure of your life. Every breath you take is a step closer to the end, so make every moment meaningful. Be just to others as you would want them to be just to you. Oppression brings destruction, and justice is the foundation of lasting peace. Knowledge enlivens the soul. The learned lives forever, while those without knowledge are like the dead. Patience is of two kinds: patience over what pains you and patience against what you covet. True patience is the foundation of faith. A leader is one who serves, not one who rules. Ruling is a test of character. Serve your people with humility and sincerity. The heart is the root of the body. If the heart is pure, the body follows. Purify your heart with sincerity, compassion, and humility. Do not let the adornments of this world deceive you, for life is but a fleeting moment. Prepare for what lies beyond with righteous deeds. Forgive others, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because you deserve peace. Mercy elevates the soul and brings you closer to God. People are of two kinds. They are either your brothers in faith or your equals in humanity. Treat them with dignity, respect, and love.